Hi guys, welcome back to a new Call of Duty mobile video. I brought you guys some news and leaks about Season 3 and we are going to talk about upcoming crates, upcoming bundles and zombie classes and their skills, and also the Ramadan event and the Aliel Phantom skin, and also we are going to talk about the undefined legendary maze character. So let's start the video. First, the Ramadan event is going to happen very soon. That means we will be getting this skin. Hopefully it will be a free skin. And also the CP extra value event is also going to happen during the Ramadan event, so be prepared for it. These are the new images of cards inside of the game, and we can expect this in Season 3. And this is a crate in the Chinese version, and hopefully it will come to the global version as well. So you saw a FR 556 skin, AGR skin and a QXR skin. Name of the skin is Sundre. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. And also Korean developers replied to fans saying that Alia's voice is going to come in the next season's update, which is hilarious. And these are the bundles of Season 3. These are not complete bundles, and these are just a sneak peek by Murder Blast. Make sure go and check his channel, he leaks everything. And you get to see the Snakebite skins in that bundle. So they came out in a crate earlier, and this right here, these skins, they never came before. So I believe these are new weapon skins, but the emote in this bundle came out very recently. I believe it came out last season, and this is the character skin. And also we are getting a green bundle called Aqua. So the skins are called Aqua, and I don't remember it came out early. There are skins that looks like this, but this did not come early. Oh, these are new. And we are getting the Season 1 OG Captain skin back again. So we initially got it as an offer, and now they are giving it as a bundle, so make sure you buy that. That's not all guys, we are getting the coined skins of these vehicles. Now these coined skins are kind of OG because they came out first in the first epic vehicle crate. And also Murder Blast leaked these names of models. Now the items are not yet leaked, or the files cannot be found, but these names are found inside of the game. And also in the Chinese version there are these frames. Now these frames are really new, and as you see, each weapon has a separate frame. Now there is something called weapon mastery in the Chinese COD Mobile, where you can master a weapon, and when you fully master it, you will get a frame. Now the system is not yet understood, but it's how it is. So every gun has a separate frame, so you can show the world that you are the best in this gun, which is cool, I believe. And hopefully it will come to the global version, but it's not confirmed yet. The only thing that is different from each frame is the gun, otherwise the frame is the same. Okay, let's see the zombie classes and their skills. Now first we will see Poltergeist class. Now Poltergeist class is basically make you invisible. So when you use that class, the zombies cannot see you. They are like going around you. They don't hit you, they just touch you and go away. So this is a really cool class if you are cornered. Let's say if you are cornered in a house or something. Now let's see the trap class. I believe this is a really good class because it slows down your enemies so that you have enough time to reload and shoot at your enemies until the raid is over. As you see, it drastically slows down the enemies and you have enough time to kill almost any enemy coming out of this door. And also the trap lasts very long, which is good. You can also use this class for the boss fight also, which also makes the boss kind of slow, but not as slow as the other regular zombie enemies. I see the sentry class. Now this is the most overpowered class of the zombie classes because it has a huge damage. As you see, it kills like in 3 shots. As you see, the damage is about 160 and 90. So initial damage is 160 and I believe a zombie has a health of 250 and that's why it's 90 in the second shot. So it deals 160 damage. This is really cool. If all of you can use it, that would be great. Now this is auto skin that is expected to come in season 3. And the legendary mace character we still don't know, but the name of the legendary mace character is Dark Mace. So tell me what you guys think about the Dark Mace. Okay, the Eternal Rest Draw is coming out this Friday, so let's take a look at the rewards. Now my favorite reward of this lucky draw is the character, the Dark Shepherd Soul Reaper character. It is really cool. It's the most detailed skin I have ever seen in my life in Call of Duty Mobile. And then we get the Man of War legendary. We are also getting the first epic shovel skin. Not only that, we are getting some smoke and M4 6 feet. I really love this skin. This is really cool, but it does not have a different iron sight, so anyways, it's a cool skin. Then we have a soul in a bottle charm and this emote that is matching with the character. So if you get the emote and the character early, that means you are extremely lucky. Okay, we are also getting a parachute and wingsuit, and that's it for the video guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell icon and share this video.